The fear of death always threatens our life. Every person has to face that sooner or later. But that does not mean that it should discourage us from living life to the fullest or achieving our goal. A person is wise only when he or she is ready to meet destiny when it comes. But until that time, enjoy every bit of it. It is a sense of readiness. It is a journey in everyone's life where we have to cross the bridge of death to be able to wake up to a life eternal. Human life is truly a very precious gift. Each moment of human life carries us an opportunity to act, to develop and express our virtues. Every moment unlocks the path to us to receive blessings. This is the truth that life gives us both positive and negative situations. What is really important is how we react. Life is a gift of God in the form of trust that we will make it meaningful in whatever we can. We are all unique individuals. No one is born like you, and no one will ever be so greenish. You individually, many times I come across people accusing God of things that they don't have. They always cursing their life. But do they realize that this life itself is precious if we make it worth living and half-word towards positively? Hard-word life is nothing but a journey without lesson. Hardship is hardest and special moment will ultimately lead us to our destiny, our purpose in life. The road will not always be a plain. In fact, throughout our travel we will face many challenges. These challenges will always test our courage, strength, weakness and faith. Along our way we may encounter obstacles that we came between the path and we are destined to take. In order to be on the right path, we must overcome these obstacles. Sometimes these obstacles are really blessings in disguise, only we don't understand that at that time. The secret of life is best known to those who are not attached to anything deeply so much. Therefore, they remain out of touch with the worries of shifting fortune of their lives. They are the people who don't measure their lives in terms of possessiveness, but by measuring their life in terms of people they cannot live without. Lastly, it concludes that we should make our life worthwhile. It should be with love and our family and friends that life can be made beautiful. Life can be more beautiful and purposeful by discharging our duties in our families, at a work society and the world.